ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Pulit Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Hadok Shispa Sangut ki Pulit Langrut, bela Pyndep ke Jingshah Hikai Pyntbit haka Armed Police Training Center, jangka 6 Battalion ketenat Pulit ke Jela Meghalaya ke bulan haka Shnong Umran Riboy District, kila Syapin Kuburam haka Passing Out Parade ke Belalong haka Kandai Trik Naitung arajar Pausau. Kini ke Kenhuan ke Besau dan ketenat On Arm Branch kila Syapin Kuburam haka Jingshah Kilang, jangka Director General of Police jangka Jela ke Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang, ke Belalong Kum ke Kongsan, peringkat ke Jingshah Kilang, jangki Officer Pulit bagi bahi ngasem.
Law and Order, Special Director General of Police, Director General, Home Guards and Civil Defence, as the President of Police, Jingshah Hills and East Khas Hills, before taking up her assignment in Intelligence Bureau, Government of India. The Darshan car is driven by Havildar Bharat Goro from Shillong DF, East Khas Hills District. With a strength of 26 personnel led by platoon commander on
the passing out parade of the 4th batch of recruit constables at Armed Police Training Center 6th Battalion. Ma'am, ladies and gentlemen, the 6th Battalion of Meghalaya Police was established on the 28th of January 2011 and shifted to its permanent campus at Umran in the year 2018. Though we are relatively a new and recent unit, the contributions of Armed Police Training Center and 6th Battalion overall speak for itself. Since its inception, the Armed Police Training Center of 6th Battalion has successfully trained 4 batches of recruit constables, including the current one. Ma'am, today we have gathered here to witness the passing out of 104 UBRCs and 7 recruit followers. The 104 UBRCs that are passing out today hail from all 12 districts of Meghalaya, and they are posted in 7 DFs of West Jingshah Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills and Riboy DF, and Special Branch Headquarters. In the present batch, while 24 UBRCs are in the age group of 20 to 25 years, 80 are in the age group of 25 to 30 years. Ma'am, I am pleased to state that of 104 cadets, 2 are diploma holders, 22 are HSS LC passed, 66 are graduates, while 14 are postgraduates. I take this opportunity to commend and congratulate the APTC of 6th Battalion and all the instructors who have ensured quality and state-of-the-art training to the RCs. In past close to 12 months, these RCs have undergone rigorous outdoor and indoor trainings. Special modules on topics such as VIP security, IEDs, crime against women and children, etc. have been conducted for a thorough exposure. I am standing here and looking at the 104 trainees, I can state with pride and confidence that they are going to be assets for Meghalaya Police in the times to come.
And after taking the oath to serve the Meghalaya Police, let me be the first to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you pass out today, you have before you an unblemished record. There are some amongst you who have won prizes. This should be taken as an inspiration and as an indication that you have many more prizes to win. For those who have not, rest assured that there will be umpteen opportunities for you to win prizes and laurels for the Meghalaya Police, for yourselves and for your country. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Armed Police Training Center and all the instructors who have obviously put in a lot of effort to ensure that these 104 constables and the 7 followers who are part of this parade today have done so exceedingly well. They are a reflection of all the hard work and dedication to duty that you as instructors have imparted into them. As stated by the Commandant in his report, a number of subjects have been touched upon and you have been given opportunity to learn about various things. As you stepped out into regular duty henceforth, you will be called upon to utilize all those inputs that have been given to you. You will also find that a number of things are not exactly what they are taught you in the training center. You will also be faced with a number of choices. The only advice I can give you is that whatever choice you make, be sure that you can be, you take the choice that you can live with, a choice that will be reflective of the things, the instructions that have been given to you, and the priorities and the principles that you hold most dear. The challenges before the Meghalaya Police grow with each passing day. The challenges that you, especially as unarmed branch constables, will face even more. I'm glad to hear that we have so many graduates and postgraduates amongst this 104. It is a reflection of the times when we do not have graduates and postgraduates opting to become recruit constables of the Meghalaya Police. It is a reflection of the times also that with the passage of time, change happens, and these changes are welcome. I would exhort all of the recruit constables here today, whatever your background, whatever your qualifications, you are now a part of police force. You are expected to be disciplined, and you have displayed that in the parade that you have this morning. I wish you all the very, very best, and I am sure that what the Commandant has said, that you will be a leading light in the Meghalaya Police in the years to come.
And this side. Okay.